Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll see how to quickly and easily format cell values in Google Sheets based on different conditions. I've prepared a simple table to demonstrate this. In the table, there are 3 columns. Product. This lists various fruit items: apple, banana, mango, pineapple, and grapes. Units sold, pieces. Here we record how many pieces were sold for each fruit. For example, 120 apples were sold. Revenue, dollars. This column shows how much money we earned in dollars for each product. For instance, selling 120 apples brought in $600. We'll look at 2 examples of conditional formatting. 1. Highlight rows in green when revenue greater than 1,000. First, select the revenue column by clicking and dragging down over the cells. Go to the Format menu and choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will appear on the right. Make sure Single Color is selected. Then confirm the range. In this example, something like C1 to C6. Under Format Rules, change the rule from Is Not Empty to Greater Than and type in 1,000. The default color is green, but you can choose any color you want. Click Done. You'll see the cells with revenue above 1,000 turn green. You can also add another rule in the same column. For example, if revenue is less than or equal to 600, highlight it in red. If you want to delete this rule later, just hover over it and click the trash can icon. 2. Finding duplicates. Let's say you add a duplicate product in row 7, for instance, another apple. Now you want to highlight any duplicates in the product column. Select cells from A2 to A7, the range where your product names appear. Click Add Another Rule in the Conditional Formatting pane. Under Format Cells If, choose Custom Formula Is. In the Value or Formula box, type this COUNTIF formula. Pick a highlight color, for example red. Click Done. Here's how it works. COUNTIF is a function that counts how many times a certain value appears in a given range. We're counting how many times the current cell's value A2 appears in the range A2 to A7. The $sign locks in our selection, meaning we make sure the chosen column and chosen value won't change or shift when the formula is copied or moved. The condition greater than 1 means we only highlight cells that appear more than once, duplicates. As soon as you save the rule, any repeated items, like 2 apple entries, will turn red. That's all for this tutorial on simple conditional formatting in Google Sheets. We covered how to highlight cells with values greater than 1,000 and how to automatically mark duplicates. Feel free to experiment with other conditions or ranges to customize your sheets even further.